Hi, everybody, how are you? Mr. Zaki with you. Model 1, now we want to solve many problems in math section of GAT. So how I solve the problems here? The first one, 3 to the power 10 and plus 3 to the power 10 and 3 to the power 10. Here you must think about here. What is the sign here? Here it is addition. If you have production or multiplication, you add the exponent. Now I have addition here, so I can't add the exponent. Rimas, I can't add the exponent. Why? Because I have here addition. So I can't add the exponent because the rules is if you product rules, you add the exponent. Now what is how I solve it? How I solve this problem? So I calculate here 3 to the power 1, 3 to the power 1, or 3 to the power, 3 to the power 10, 3 times. So you take a common factor, or you take 3 times 3 to the power 10. So we have 3. Then you add, because now we have multiplication here, then you add 1 plus 10 plus it is 3 to the power 10. So the answer is what? It is B. It is D, right? It is D. Okay, do you understand these problems? Okay, number 2. Compare between two values. Here, compare between two values. Here, value of A, value of B. How I solve this problem? Because you don't have enough time to multiply it, you analyze it. How I analyze it? So 81, you write, maybe you can write 9 times 9. Also 8, you write it the same, no problem about it. Also 7, that's because we simplify the problems. Now 27, it is what? It is 3 times 9, right? 14, it is 2 times 7, right? A 12, what about the 12? It is 4 times 3, right? So I can now simplify it. Look here, 7 and 7. 9, it is 9. 2 multiply by 4, it is 8. Here, 8. Then 2 minus 4, it is 8. 3 times 3, it is 9. This 9. 3 minus 3, 9. Oh, that's the same. So what is the answer here? The answer is what? It is C. Right, good. Now problems number 3. Question number 3. The value of 120 minus 64 divided 8 times 4. Now how do you get these operations? You must arrange the operations. You must first, you start it with what? With brackets, then power, exponent, then multiplication and division. The last one, it is addition and subtraction. All right, you arrange the operations to do it. This is a problem. So what is the answer now here? Because 64 divided by 8, the first one, 64 divided by 8, it is 8 multiplied by 4. Now you multiply 8 times 4, it is 32. So 120 minus 32, So the answer is here, it is 88, right? So the answer is C. Thank you very much. Yes. And now, number 4, what is the answer? You add from 1 to 100. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 to 100. What is the sum from 1 to 100? If you use the rule or use your thinking, how? Yeah, you add here 1 plus 99. It is what? It is 100, right? 2 plus 98, it is 100. 3 plus 97, it is 100. How many 100? How many 100? I have, how many 100? I have 50 100, right? Or plus the middle one, it is 50 also. So you multiply it, multiply 1000 times 550, it is 5050. It is D. Okay? So I have a rule also. I have a rule. How I get it the answer with rules. If you want to get the sum, any number is, you write it here like this. You can write this rule. X minus 1 over 2. You can write it this. Now X, so you write 100, the last number is 100. You write it here, 100 multiply 100 minus 1, it is 99. Oh, sorry, here plus. No, plus, sorry, here plus. Here plus, the rules is plus. A plus, so 100 plus 1, it is 101, right? Divided by 2. Then you simplify. About 2, it is 1. 2, it is 50. Then you multiply 50 times 101, it is D, 5050. Okay? If you use it, the rules, or use it the simple way, 1 plus 99, like this. So number 4, it is D. Now, number 5, what is the answer here? If X less than, if X over Y equals 7, then X plus 3Y over 2Y. Oh, that's the problem. It is easy, right? You simplify it only. If you want to put it, X is 7, Y it is 1, then you get the answer. Or you separate X over 2Y plus 3Y over 2Y. Then you get it the answer. But I think the simple way, X equal to 7 and Y equal to 1. So put it here. X is here 7 and Y it is 1. So 3 times 1 and 2 times 1. So what is the answer? 7 plus 3 over 2. 7 plus 3, it is 10. 10 over 2, it is what? It is 5. So the answer is A, right? Right, good. The answer is A. Number 6 now. How many even integer numbers are between 12 over 5 and 56 over 5? How I solve these problems? How many even integer even integer. We have odd integer and even integer. So you want he need even integer. So we get the answer of 12 over 5. What is the answer? Approximately maybe 12 over 5. Approximately it is 2. 56 over 5 approximate is 11, right? So, yeah, what is the even number between 2 and 11? It is what? It is 4, right? And 6, 8, and 10. So how many numbers? Yes, it is what? It is 4, right? Right, it is number C. So the answer C. Now number 7, the measure of the exterior angle of an equilateral triangle equals. What is the measure of exterior? Yes, number 7, what is the answer? The exterior numbers, it is what? The exterior number, because here, yes, 120, right? Because the exterior number here is we have 3 angles. The sum of 3 angles, it is 360 divided by 3. Then the answer is 120. That's because we want the exterior number, but this hit the answer is B. Now number 8, what is if 6 of a number equals 25% of the number 12, then what is the number? So how I solve this problem? He said 6 of a number. I write 1 over 6 of any numbers, 1 over 6x equals 25% of the number 12. So I put it here, 25 over 100 time 12, like this, right? Then I solve the problem. How I solve it? How I solve it? Because when you divide it, 25 divided by 100 will be 4, 1 over 4. Then will be put it here, 1 over 4 times 12. So you simplify it here. Divided by 4 is 1. Divided by 4, it is 3. So also the answer now, 1 over x, 1 x over 6 equals 3. How I solve this problem? You multiply it by 6. Here also multiply it by 6. Then the answer is what? It is 18. So the answer is 18. So what is the answer here? D, right. The answer is D, right. Thank you very much, my student. So see you later. Also, my best with Mr. Zaki. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.